Cats have claws so they can hunt and capture their prey. They are also useful for climbing to escape danger or defending themselves in fights. One of the reasons cats need to scratch is to keep their claws in tip-top condition, as this sheds old claw sheaths and maintains the sharpness of the new claw underneath. Scratching also helps cats mark their territory, as they release scent through the glands in their paws when doing so, signalling to other cats in the area that this is their territory. Most young and adult cats who go outside will maintain their claws themselves through scratching all sorts of surfaces. However, cats who may be older, less active, or suffer from arthritis may not be able to scratch as easily, and their claws can grow longer than needed. In some cases, this can be painful for them and can stop them from grooming, which will make them really unhappy. It's worth noting that cats don't need their claws routinely trimmed, and taking them to the vet or groomer will be a stressful experience for them. So unless your vet recommends this as part of your cat's routine care plan, it's not worth the stress to your cat. However, if you can clearly see your cat's claws protruding from their paws, find they are catching them on blankets or the carpet, or you hear the gentle tap of them as your cat walks across hard surfaces, it may be a sign they need clipping. In the first instance, speak to your vet about whether your cat should be brought in for the clipping, as having this done professionally is advised. But if you do find yourself in a position where you need to do this yourself, this easy to follow guide will help you. Before you start, make sure you have all the tools you need ready, such as clippers, treats, and if you wish, a towel, blanket or cushion with a familiar scent to position the cat on. Make sure you use the proper clippers. Do not use human clippers on your cat's claws. They are shaped differently and they may harm your cat if used. Step 1. Ensure your cat is calm before you approach them. If for any reason your cat is stressed or unsettled, you may need to return later when they are calmer. Step 2. Position yourself behind your cat to make a stop with your body so they can't back away. This technique may also be easier if you have a helper who can hold the cat for you. If you have a helper, ask them to hold your cat gently but firmly around the chest and shoulders and keep them close to their body. Step 3. When you're ready, gently pick up one of their paws between your thumb and forefinger and apply very gentle pressure on the toe to extend the claw. The quick of a cat's claw is the pinky internal part of the nail. It is very sensitive and contains blood vessels and nerves. Do not trim this part of your cat's nail, as it may bleed and will be painful for the cat. Step 4. Clip the very white tips of the claw, several millimetres away from the quick. Once you've clipped the whole of one paw, if your cat is calm, offer them a treat to reward them. Then repeat the process for the rest of the paws. Your cat's dew claw is the small inner claw on their front paws, which is their equivalent to a human thumb. This may also need trimming, so don't miss it. If your cat is becoming stressed, you can pause and give them a break and some fuss to help calm them, but do not treat them in this stress state. They may wish to run off and hide, and you should allow them to do this. You will then need to return to do the rest of the paws when they are calm again. You may need to complete the clipping in stages, for example, one paw at a time, spaced out over a few days. Hopefully, clipping your cat's claws will be a smooth process for you and your cat. If you have any worries about handling your cat or clipping their claws, you should speak to your vet for advice. We hope you have found this video helpful, and for more information on cat care and behaviour, we have plenty of resources on our website and our YouTube channel.